카나바라마바사 아자차카타파하. Stop memorizing in this order. Instead, try this one. 안녕하세요. Hi guys, it's me Henny from Korean with Henny, who helps you learn Korean step by step. Today's lesson is about 14 consonants, and I've made it super easy and clear, so please stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. When King Sejong created the consonants, he made up two rules. Number one, the shapes. The shapes of 14 consonants are based on the speech organs such as your throat, teeth, and the mouth, and the tongue. For example, these two are from the shape of your tongue, and this one is from a mouth, this one from teeth, and this one is from your throat. So these five are called five basic consonants. Rule number two. From these five basic consonants, the king added extra strokes to make up other consonants. And by adding a stroke, it means that the sound gets stronger. Now let's look at the consonants one by one. First, I'm gonna tell you the name of the consonant and the pronunciation. First consonant is called 기역, 기역, and it's pronounced as 그, 그. It's a lighter version of English alphabet K, so first pronounce K sound, K, and then slowly make a lighter sound, K, 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 K. That's it. That's the exact sound of this alphabet, 기역. When you're pronouncing this, your throat is stuck by your tongue. So the position of your tongue is like this. K, K. So that is why this is the shape of 기역. Okay? Now I'm gonna add a stroke to this alphabet. This is called 키읔, 키읔, and it's pronounced as 크, 크. 크, 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 크. Number two, this alphabet is called 니은, 니은, and it's pronounced as 느, 느, like alphabet N sound. When you're pronouncing this, your tongue touches the ceiling like this. 느, 느. That's why it looks like this. This one is called 디귿, 디귿, and it's pronounced as 트, 트. It's a lighter version of T, so first pronounce T, T sound and make it lighter. T, 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 T. That's it. That's the sound of 디귿. This is called 티귿, and it's pronounced as T, T, 느, 트, 트. So when you pronounce these three, the position of your tongue does not change. It touches the ceiling. Let's look at the third one. This is called 미음, and it's pronounced as 무, 무. It's the shape of your mouth. When you pronounce it, it's rectangular, 무, 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 right? I'm gonna add one stroke here. This is actually considered extra one stroke, even though there is two extra lines sticking up. Alright, this is called 비읍, 비읍, and it's pronounced as 부, 부. And I'm gonna add extra two strokes. Right. This is called 피읍, and it's pronounced as 프, 프. 무, 부, 프. Again, the shape of your mouth is exactly the same. The sound gets stronger. Right. The fourth one, this is called 시옷, and it's pronounced as 스, 스. Imagine there's a balloon and you haven't tied it up yet, and you just let a little bit of air comes out. And you make a sound. S, s, s. So this is the shape of your teeth when you pronounce it. S. So this is the shape of 시옷. Alright? Now let's add a stroke. This is called 지읒, 지읒. It's pronounced as 즈, 즈, 스, 즈. And another one stroke. This is called 치읓, 치읓, and it sounds as 치, 치, the strongest sound. 치, 치, 치. Let's look at the last one. This one is called 이응, and it's actually a very interesting consonant because this one has no sound. This consonant 이응 is usually put together with a vowel to represent the sound of a vowel. For example, this is a sound, right? So you just read it as a. And shape of this is from your throat. So your throat is like a tube. So it looks like this, right? And I'm gonna add an extra stroke, actually 2 strokes here. And this is called 히읗. And it's pronounced as 흐, 흐. This one is actually from your throat as well. There used to be extra 1 stroke, which looks like this. Yeah, but we don't use them anymore, so we don't have to memorize it. Finally, the last consonant. The last consonant does not follow the 2 rules that I told you earlier, so it's an exception. I'm gonna write it down here. Okay, this one is called 리을, 리을, and it sounds as l, l, something like an L sound in English. L, l. Alright, now let's practice, and we're gonna practice in a really easy way. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna add a vowel. This one is a sound. So I'll put a sound on every consonant to make it pronounce easy. So it's not 크크, 느드트, 무브프, 스드트. It's difficult to pronounce. So we're gonna say 카, 카, 나다, 타, 마바파, 사다차 like this. Okay? Now let's pronounce them one by one. 카, 카, 나, 타, 타, 마, 파, 파. 사, 자, 차, 아, 하. Now let's make a rhythm. 카, 카, 나다, 타, 마바, 파, 사자, 차, 아하, 라. So you practice over and over again like this. 카카 나다타 마바파 사자차 아하라 카카 나다타 마바파 사자차 아하라 like this until these consonants all stick in your head. Alright? Here is the all the stroke orders for the 14 consonants, so you can screenshot if you want to, and these 2 consonants you can use both of the stroke orders. Finally, you can download my amazing PDF worksheet for free from the link below. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. 안녕!